Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Out here at the junkyard, somewhat of a breezy day. I seen a maroon 850 out here. I think that's Buster Brown with his NA. We'll see. I'm gonna grab a seat belt for somebody and probably some fuel injectors for somebody else. And just scout around, see what else is showing up last few days since I've been here last week. Got a 98 and 70 here. NA. Look like it's got some decent headlights on it. Corners have been replaced. Not fitting that tight, but they look like they're in good shape. Oh, that one doesn't. Anyway, it's out here. Still got an ABS module. Throttle body's been hacked up a little bit. Throttle cover's in decent shape. Still got a battery clip. Cam seal looks dry. Fuel pump relay's gone. All the fuses are gone. Oh man, looks like it has cloth seats, which is a plus. Tires look pretty new. Yeah, it's cloth seats, but they're a little worn. Somebody busted a window in over there. No sunroof, which is rare. Good sun visors, they look good. Somebody already pulled the trim. Must have been Buster Brown on the yesterday note. See if anything's in the trunk. Ugh, it's locked. Let me go find a wagon and get what I need and keep it moving. Might have took the fuel pump out of the day. Then closed and locked the dang on trunk. My sister-in-law got me a car vac for my birthday. Man, that is awesome. Sharper Image normally has the best product, so I'm really looking forward to this being a good, strong vac that runs off as little as 12 volts. Hopefully my cigarette lighter fuse won't blow. Tried to get a manifold loose from a Mustang, was unsuccessful with that. Lady called me, thought her car was leaking oil again, where I did that cam seal. Went by there, checked on that. Went by the shop, checked on my clunk. We think it's got a bad strut. Anyway, we got a package here from iPd. Let's see what's in it. Have some gloves, ran out of those. Spark plugs for a turbo. Spark plugs for an NA. Special tool for getting the strut tower thing loose. What we got here? That's a mount. Another one of those mounts for the front of the engine. An air filter. And that's it. Ready to go back out in the desert. Work on that 850. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.